Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up HOSAYA AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, HOSAYA AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender is a device that helps boost and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal to areas with weak or no coverage. So let's start the setup process. Now firstly, plug the HOSAYA AC1200 extender into a wall power socket near your main router. Turn it on if there is a power switch. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. This allows the extender to boot fully before setup. On your phone, laptop, or PC, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for the extender's default Wi-Fi name, SSID, such as HOSAYA_XD. Tap or click to connect. No password is required initially. You must connect to the extender's Wi-Fi to access its setup page. Open any web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox. Type one of these addresses in the address bar http://192.168.10.1. Press Enter. If the page doesn't open, make sure you're connected to extender Wi-Fi. And also turn off mobile data. When the login page appears, enter default credentials, username and password. Both are admin. Click Login. You will see different modes like Repeater Mode, choose this, or Access Point Mode. Select Repeater Mode. Click Next or Continue. Repeater Mode allows the extender to copy and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal. The extender will now scan nearby wireless networks. Wait a few seconds. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Find and select your main router's Wi-Fi name, SSID. Click Next. Make sure you select the correct network name. The extender will now scan nearby wireless networks. Wait a few seconds. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Find and select your main router's Wi-Fi name, SSID. Click Next. Make sure you select the correct network name. After reboot, open Wi-Fi settings again. Connect to the new extender network name, example, myhomewifi_xt. Enter the same password as your router. Open a website, like google.com. If it loads, setup is successful. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.